I'll show you how you can use Topaz to enhance your video. First off, you want to go ahead and type in Topaz Video Enhance AI. On here, you'll be redirected into a Google page like this. You don't want this one because this one is paid. You want to scroll down to this one. This is the free version. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be directed into a page that looks like this. Tap on Get Started, free. On here, upload a video. Tap on this blue button. Pick your video. I'm just gonna pick a random one here. And then you can see now the video will look like this. You can preset it to see if it's a standard art interview or old videos, and then it'll upscale it to 4K. You can tap on it to upscale to 4K, and then you need to create an account real quick. Let me just log in. Once you have logged in, you can see now you'll get some credits. And then on here, you can tap on preview here to preview what the video enhancement will look like. I'll say render preview, and then it'll say preparing the video. And then we'll just have to wait for it to prepare the video. It should be pretty fast. I'll just wait for this real quick. It shouldn't take that long because of course this is a preview. The preview will take around 6 credits. Meanwhile, the full video will take up a variety of credits depending on how long your video is. So for example, earlier my video was a bit long, so it'll take around 66 credits. Meanwhile, if you sign up, you'll only get 20 credits. So be mindful of that. But of course, this is free, right? Once it's done, this is what it will look like. You can see, you can zoom in to see what kind of video it is. You can see it frame by frame, and you can see that it has been enhanced to 4K.